All right, so welcome back to the Whitehouse farm. What we got here is a new Bimini top for the boat. It's a 3-bow, and we're gonna go ahead and get this all undone here and set up, and we're gonna go ahead and install it. So my little helper is gonna help me here. So here we go. We got our instructions. And we got our hardware box. We got the poles and the canvas. So, all right, let's go ahead and start getting her together. See what we got for our hardware box. So we got our 2 straps, and then we got all the connectors. Oh, even came with a screwdriver. Nice. All right, pretty cool. That's a bonus. Okay, so we got our 3 top supports here. So we'll go ahead and put them in. And we'll start down here. Feed it in. Leave it partly out. This one through. And you want to leave them hanging out here so that way you can connect them and then push them the rest of the way through. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and snap these together. Now we can push this all the way through. And we'll attach this side now. All right, we'll go ahead and connect this one now. Here, straighten that out, Jess, in the center.
Huh. This attaches here. This attaches right here. Should I start screwing these in?
Yeah. So now we got them in the right spot. Now we can go ahead and secure them. Yep, one of these and a nut. And look at the nut goes right into that.
Yeah.
That's what holds it. And then screws in.
It's definitely different over here.
Huh? Yep, there you go. Then we're going to take one of these on each side, and these are going to go right here.
How tight?
Just finger tight.
As tight as I can get.
Yeah, don't get it too tight then. Now we need to bring it up to the boat and we'll check it and see where we want to screw it in. No, we have to mark it and then we have to screw it in. All right. So next thing we want to do is take these and get them set to where we want them on here. That'll determine our shade coverage. All right, so now we're gonna measure from this piece here to the back of the boat. So right at 7 feet, we measured from the back here to where we're going to mount that bracket to the back, and that's 7 feet. So that way we can do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now we're going to drill some pilot holes. So we got our mark here. And we want the nut on the inside so we can screw it from the outside. Okay, so we just drilled one little pilot hole. We'll go ahead and drill the second one. All right, so we got our 2 holes now. Let's go ahead and get our screws. There are 2 screws there. All right, and we're gonna put our second one in. Okay, got our mark there. So while we were mounting these mounting brackets on the outside, later on we actually realized that this boat used to have a Bimini on it, and it had side mount mounting brackets on the inside with quick releases. So this worked out good. I mean, we got outside and inside now if we want to change out the Bimini for the brackets, just in case one of them breaks or something. But we ended up using the inside brackets, as later on you're going to see, and they're side mounted and they're quick. Okay, so this one already had mounting brackets up here, so we're going to use that, and then we're going to drill new. I already put a pilot hole there, and we're going to go ahead and set these up right there. That's one. Let's get the other side now. Right in front of those ones. Now we can tighten it up to where we want it. That'll work.
Okay.
Oh, there's plenty of meat on the boat, so I'm not too close to the edges.
Good. That'll help. So it won't go flying. won't be able to, even if these come attached.
All right, let's do the other side now. Same thing.
Should I move this thing?
Same thing. I'll just be turning. I don't know.
Oh, yeah. Tighten this one too.
Okay, so we got the front straps on, got the rear straps on. Here's the front. Okay, got the front straps on, got it all together, top on, got the back on. That actually helped us out that there was already a mount there on the center, so we didn't have to worry about that. So we got everything all hooked up. Looks nice. It's gonna be nice to have shade, especially we're getting cloud coverage right now, but we're sweating to death just putting this thing up. So this will be nice. So once again, hope you guys like, enjoy,
Subscribe.
ring that notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, so we're out on the lake. You having fun, Major? Kids are out there. And we got the new Bimini top on here, so let's go ahead and try it out. And undo the straps here. You undo that strap right there. And then this will pull all the way forward here. Just gotta move this board. There we go, that's fine. And this one will attach up here. And then that one will attach up there. All right, so we're all set, all attached. We actually have shade. Works out pretty good. Kids are having a good time out there. So we hope you like, enjoy, ring that notification bell for future videos, and we'll see you on the next one.
Bye.
You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo. Bye, guys.